my name is Stephanie Blank, and I am a professor in the Department of Obstetrics, Gynecology, and Reproductive Science at the Icahn School of Medicine in Mount Sinai. I'm also the Director of Gynecologic Oncology for the Mount Sinai Health System. Some people think that clinical trials are only for people who have been through every other option that there is, and there's nothing further from the truth, because clinical trials, you can start your treatment at the very beginning of your cancer journey on a clinical trial. You can even be on a clinical trial before you even have cancer to help in terms of prevention. So there are all different ways that you can be on clinical trials. And honestly, you just get the latest and greatest in care when you're on a clinical trial. Our upcoming clinical trials workshop is really exciting because it's a chance for us. I'm a gynecologic oncologist, so I take care of people with gynecologic cancers, and I have a lot of people on clinical trials, and I view that as really the best option in a lot of certain situations. Obviously, I don't know that. That's the whole purpose of the clinical trial, but it gives me something else in my toolbox. It gives you something else that you can work with. In our workshop, I'm going to be there. I believe there'll be somebody who's been on a clinical trial, and I think a social worker. We'll all be there to discuss clinical trials in general. It's not about a specific clinical trial. It's really about the whole concept of clinical trials. And I think there are a lot of misconceptions about clinical trials. And I think just making people more aware of them, of how much they do, of what your care looks like. I think that can be very helpful, and I'm really looking forward to sharing that in this workshop. Thank you.